AppleCheeks, one sizes. We don't currently own the all-in-one system. I haven't tried it yet. We'll make another video about that. I can't wait to try those are covers, so you do need an insert, bamboo insert. I love the 2-ply. They're you can fold them as you need, depending on your baby's size or depending on your need. For a little boy, I like to do the boy fold. It's called the boy fold. You just fold here and in 3 like that. So this part here goes in front, where the most liquid goes. So, and you can just lay on top the insert, or what I prefer. I couldn't tell why I prefer that. I like to really insert in the cover like that. You don't need to insert in the back, just like that. So most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, when they go in the machine, they wash out. So you don't have to pull them out before you wash them. Put like that in the machine, and they go out by themselves. I have 30. 30 is a good number, especially for a newborn. I wouldn't go under 30 for a newborn. He's almost 6 right now. Our baby's almost 6 months. So at 6 months, I can go with 3 days without washing, no problem. But with a newborn, you need at least 30 diapers and wash every 2 days. But if you have a good routine, it's not a problem.